In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the gear stick switch on your ride-on car. If your car only goes in one direction, then the gear switch is most likely the culprit. The gear switch usually comes with two variants, gear stick and gear switch. The gear stick and switch are very easy components to replace, as we will show you in this video. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small sharp flathead screwdriver or pick. Let's get to it. First, begin by removing the seat from the car. This is most commonly secured with a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the red positive terminal from the battery to ensure there is no power to the car. If there are two screws securing the gear stick to the dashboard, then these will need removing with a Phillips head screwdriver. Using a small flathead screwdriver or pick, carefully lever the bottom of the gear stick out and then slowly work out the top of the shroud. Ensure you take your time, as this can damage the dashboard. Take a photo of the connections to make sure that these can be easily replicated when the new component is fitted. Remove the connections by using a flathead screwdriver to slide them off of the pins. Once all connections are removed, we can then discard the old gear stick. To replace the new gear stick, fit the connections in the same order as they were removed. Push the gear stick back into the dashboard until it clicks into place. Secure the gear stick with the screws that were previously removed. Replace the red battery terminal and turn on the car. Test the gears by shifting into both forward and backwards to ensure that the switch is working properly. Once satisfied that the car is operating correctly, replace the seat and secure with the screws that were previously removed. And that's it. You have successfully replaced the gear stick on your ride-on car.